birth of life. So beautiful. I can see it. Don't call him. Bailey.
Oh.
Where? Oh, I'm touching. Is it yawning?
Uh-oh.
Look at it.
John, it's Tina. Call me when you can. We are sitting here watching these eggs hatch.
You know I'm filming this, right?
Bye-bye.
It's probably gonna sound real weird when I'm watching it again.
Why?
I don't know.
So gooey?
Because we're taking a video and we're talking at the same time. It's kind of weird.
This is so cool.
I just want to feel like I want to just help him out.
I know.
Yeah, I know.
I know. It's so...
Touching. Hush, little baby, don't be afraid. Jeffrey's gonna buy you a videotape. Hey, you're messing up the crack, big board. That's a big
He's
board.
weak. You can't really push it all the way.
How do you think those other ones hatched?
Well, I know, but I mean, it takes time to pull out of it. Where's the shells for the other one? I don't know.
I think they ate it.
Yeah, I think the birds do eat the shells, don't they?
No.
Well, it seems like something does.
You sounded stupid on video.
Oh, okay.
Y'all all sound stupid on video. Now I sound stupid for calling y'all stupid. It just doesn't make sense.
Can I take a picture real quick?
On the other side.
Can you just send me the good ones that you have?
Yeah, I'm kind of filming right now. And we're talking, so it's going to be real weird
Yeah.
when we're watching it.
The bird's probably scared. I wonder if I looked like that when I was born.
There's Mama right here.
Uh-oh, we better run.
That is the mama.
Hey, Julia and JT, do not touch that nest.
I know. It's coming. The mama bird. Come on, we have to see this egg hatch first. That's called child support.
Julia, shut up.
What is child support?
Thank you,
Be
children.
quiet.
Oh my god.
Here we go.
See you later. No, I'm just kidding. It's coming out. Look, come here. Jeffrey, look.
I can see.
No, over here.
I'm looking.
It's gotta be cracked.
Julia.
Don't be hugging it all now. Bailey, shut up. Okay, I'm not going to get Bailey. You two are.
Bailey.
We're about to see an egg hatch. Jeffrey, if you come over here, you'd see.
I can see right here, John. Be quiet.
We're about to. We're going to see birth of a robin. Aww. Made a big hole in the ground. It's about to come out. It's about to come out. Look, it's cracked now. It's gigantic.
We have to leave. The other one is going to die if we don't.
You don't know that.
I know, but he doesn't have any food. He's gotta eat.
It's asleep. Can you not?
Look, it's coming.
It's about there.
Made a big crack.
That bird's trying to help it.
I'm scratching it with its tiny claws.
Don't touch my phone. I don't want it to fall in the garbage.
It's about to crack.
Oh, but Jeff, stop.
I'm going to see Mom. You see the... Mom, it's about to open. Come here. Come on this side. You actually...
It's opening. Shh.
Mom, come here. Mom, hurry. It's opening. Mom, it's opening.
Don't take a flash.
If you take a flash, the bird will die. I wonder if we boiled this one.
You realize their parents are about to swarm us, probably.
No way.
Feet cold, feet cold.
Spider. Wait. Where? Spider.
It's going to be a while.
I don't want to get my socks dirty.
Go get your socks and go get your shoes, Julia. We need to leave. It is 7:30.
Don't worry. We're filming it, Julia.
I don't care. I'm running.
Run!
Run, buddy, run. Run, Julia, run. I think it's stuck. Is it dead?
JT.
Oh, the hatch one is already moving.
I don't know how to pause it and continue. I don't know how to.
Oh no! Mom!
I hope that human smell's not too close on the branches.
So I didn't touch him.
Mom!
Jack,
I think we should.
Jack, come on.
I am not leaving.
The mamas need to come over there, JT.
I want to experience real life birth.
No, they're not. The other one's about to die.
It's just that's how they gain their strength.
I know, but they haven't eaten anything.
In English.
I think it's stuck.
Come on, we need to leave.
We need to go. We can lock it away from the truck or the thing. See if the mama will come back and check. Come on.
Leave your phone there, because that'll be cool.
It might scratch up his phone.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Robins have claws.
Come on. Mama's waiting. first one to see her baby.
I'm staying. I don't know if we can pick it up.
No.
But it's just sleeping and won't move. And the only way that it can move.
It'll die if you pick it up, John.
Oh, but if it moves,